Hi, I'm TJ Pierce with Pierce Family Wellness, and today we're going to talk about how to make your glutes stronger. So when we look at the glutes, we want to look at a couple things. The first thing we want to know is the glutes are primarily hip extensors, which means they're going to drive your hips up. The second thing we want to look at is that the glutes are primarily type 2 muscle fibers, which means they're fast twitch, which means they're explosive muscles. So we want to use an exercise that combines those two things. We want to use a load so that we can build strength and be explosive, and we want to make sure we work the hips into extension. So the exercise we're going to do today is a supine loaded hip thrust. And so to perform the exercise, it's very basic. You're going to lay on your back. You're going to bend your knees up to 90 degrees with your feet flat on the floor, and you're going to place a load on your pelvis. And you can use a dumbbell, a barbell. Today we're going to use a plate, and you're simply going to drive your hips up as high as you can, as fast as you can, and then lower them down slowly for the eccentric portion of the exercise. You're going to do 10 to 15 reps, and you're going to go as hard and as fast as you can. We're going to do 3 to 5 sets. I'm TJ Pierce, and I hope this exercise makes your glutes stronger.